Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. One of the peculiarities of e-commerce is the ability for your users to purchase a product and repeat the purchase over time, creating a recurring order or subscription. Activating this option is very simple. Go to the e-commerce manager and then to Products. Click on Create Product and enter the main details, such as the item's name, photo, price, and quantity. On the right panel, accessible by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner, you'll find all the advanced options to apply to the product. Scroll down until you find Subscriptions. Click to enable the option and choose the mode. Purchase and Subscription. Users can choose to buy the product only once or schedule it periodically. Subscription only. In this case, the product will be available for periodic purchase only. Select the delivery frequency by indicating one or more options, allowing the end user to choose how often to receive the package, whether weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or other frequency. Finally, save to apply the changes to the product. This purchasing method can also be applied to existing products. Click on the three dots of any product and then on Edit. Navigate to the right panel, scroll down to find the Subscriptions option. As seen before, enable the option, choose the mode, and select the delivery frequency. Save to confirm your choice. From the website, the end user who selects the product of interest can choose the purchase frequency before adding the product to the cart and completing the checkout by entering their details and indicating the payment method. A new order will be generated each time the user's chosen frequency is reached. Remember that to activate this option, Braintree must be enabled as the payment method, as it is currently the only one capable of handling periodic payments. It is also essential for the user to register on the site to manage and view upcoming payments and deliveries. If you wish to stop subscriptions for any reason, you can do so from the e-commerce dashboard by going to Orders and then to Subscription Management. Click on the user you want to deactivate the recurring order for and uncheck the box in the Active column related to the product with the active program. Confirm your choice. Subscriptions allow you to provide a service that is increasingly tailored to your customers' needs and can help build customer loyalty. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and enable notifications to not miss out on new tutorials.